Hello learners.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
8/6 turns. Number 4, 8.5 turns. Number 5, 9.75 turns. Then number 6, 9/10 turns. Then number 7, then you have number 7 here, 36, 4/5 turns. Number 8, a car weighs 1.2 tons. What is the mass? What is the mass in kilograms? What is the mass in kilograms? Question. So these are 8 questions which I want us to do together here on the board. Make sure you are writing. So these are questions and I want to provide here the answers. Learners, we want to convert these tons into kilograms, and we have said 1 ton is equal to 1,000 kilograms. So question 1, we start by writing the statement. 1 ton is equal to 1,000 kilograms. Therefore 22 tons will be equal to how many kilograms? We take 22 tons over 1 ton, this one here, we take this up, we bring this one down, then we multiply by 1,000 kilograms. So this T will cancel with this T, then we have 22 times 1,000, which is equal to 22,000 kilograms. 22,000 kilograms. Let us try number 2. We want to convert 8.4 tons into kilograms. We write 1 ton is equal to 1,000 kilograms. Therefore 8.4 tons will be equal to 8.4 tons over 1 ton times 1,000 kilograms. 1,000 kilograms. So this T will cancel with this T. Then we have 8.4 times 1,000. 8.4 times 1,000. I gave you a shortcut of multiplying here. Because there are 3 zeros, in your multiplying, we move this decimal point 1, 2, 3 times. So we have here 0, 0. So the decimal point moves to this point. Therefore the answer is 8,400 kilograms. 8,400 kilograms. That is number 2. Number 2. Let us now do question 3. Let me move here. Question 3. Question 3. We are now converting 4.386 tons into kilograms. So 1 ton is equal to 1,000. 1 ton, let me write in short. 1 ton is equal to 1,000 kilograms. Then we are converting 4.386 tons will be equal to 4.386 tons divided by 1 ton times 1,000 kilograms. So we are moving this one 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4.386. We move it 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 4,386 kilograms. Next is number 4. Number 4, we now convert 8.5 tons to kilograms. The statement remains 1 ton is equal to 1,000 kilograms. 1,000 kilograms. Therefore 8.5 tons will be equal to 8.5 tons divided by 1 ton times 1,000. This will cancel out with this. Then we remain here with 8.5 times 1,000. We get the improper fraction of this mixed fraction. 2 times 8, 16 plus 1, 17. So we have 17 over 2 times 1,000. 2 goes here once. 2 goes here how many times? have 180 over 5, this one here, we have converted into an improper fraction, then we multiply by 1000. Multiply by 1000, 5 goes here, 200. So we have 180 times 200. This is equal to, we have 3,000 kilograms. That is number 7. We can now do number 8. It reads, a car weighs 1.2 tons. A car weighs 1.2 tons. What is the mass in kilograms? What is the mass in kilograms? So we know 1 ton, this is question 8, 1 ton is equal to 1. Therefore, 1.2 tons will be equal to 1.2 tons over 1 ton times 1,000 kilograms. 1,000 kilograms. 1,000 kilograms. These two will cancel out with these two. Then we have 1.2 times 1,000. 1.2 times 1,000. We move this decimal point 1, 2, 3. There are 3 zeros, so 3 times. So the answer here is 1,200 kilograms. So the car weighs 1.2 tons. 1.2 tons is equal to 1,200 kilograms. So learners, we have done the 8 questions together. 8 questions. This is the working and the answer. We have the statement, the working and the answer. You have to begin with the statement here, very important, then the working and the answer. You have to have that 1 ton is equal to 1,000 kilograms. You have the working and the answer. Okay, the answer is there. Then number 5, that is the working, and we have the answer here. Then there is this statement, important, the working and the answer. Number 7, the statement, the working and the answer. Then lastly, we have this statement, this working and this answer. So that will mark the end of today's lesson, learners. We have learned how to convert tons to kilograms. Tons to what? Kilograms. So I want you to go to your book and exercise, carry out exercise. This is convert the following into kilograms. Convert the following into kilograms. I want you to go and do question. This is exercise 117. I want you to go and do question 1 and question 2. Question 1 has A, B, C, D up to F. Question 2 has A up to F. Do these 2 exercises, and when we meet in our next lesson, we are going to learn more on mass. Okay, we have said mass is measured in three main units. There are 3 main units that we use when measuring mass: grams, kilograms and tons. Thank you, learners, for being attentive in our today's lesson. God bless you.